it's Tay. Oh my gosh, it has been so long. I am so happy to be back, feeling good, making videos. I am going to try my hardest not to yap. I have not taken an art class since 5th grade when it was mandatory, because even at that time I knew that it was just stressing me out. I was not very good at drawing, painting, all that stuff. I could not handle being graded on that. So I was like, But now, like, you know, as a mom, as an adult, you know, you do a little painting with the kids and whatever. And now I feel like I have fun painting, like, not with the kids, like just for me, right? I just got baked. I just faced a joint all to myself, and it was nice and fat, and it was fun. I have my phone in my hand because I want to show you the picture that I am going to try to create. A little Halloween Gary the snail, like how cute, right? I can't multitask. So me lately, I'm in a book club. I try to do creative things like I was saying. Do I feel confident about this? I am not feeling that confident. Real lately, I've been doing like makeup looks. So this is today's. This is where I'm at so far. If this was for something, I would be sweating. But this is just for me and you. I have, like, since I started my YouTube channel, I always wanted to do the DIY ball high. I felt like that is, like, it rhymes, but also, like, it's just me. Like, that's a fun thing to do. The first eyeball looks pretty decent. This is my problem with, like, makeup, right? Is I'll get, like, one eye pretty decent and I'll be like, all right, cool. But then, like, now I was just faking it till I make it. And now I have to, oh, it's too big. Let's do it. And now I have to do that again. I ain't doing it again. I'm feeling pretty good. I made Gary's eyeball. I don't know. I don't know what those parts of a snail is called. But the part that leads up to the eyeball. Part of the eyeball. Whatever. I don't know. Anyways, I made that too big. I'm not frustrated, but I do feel frustrated when I cannot finish a story. That makes me frustrated because I'm the one telling the story. What do you mean I don't know what comes next? So this one's a little large too. What am I doing? Nah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. He's gonna have some big old eyeball poles. I don't know. Now I feel like I need to look up what that's called. But also, I don't care. I don't care at all. I don't need to know. Like, why would I need to know what that's called? I need to draw my picture is what I need to do. And stop getting distracted. What y'all think? Let me show you the reference. Are you feeling it, Mr. Krabs? Look at us having fun together. You know, when I was young, my favorite color was green. And I often am reminded of why. It looks so good. See, now in my old age, I would say my favorite color is like pinks and purples. But, look at the color of this water. I love that. I just love it. There's paint on the bottom of this. I gotta slow my roll. Got a little too much dip on my chip right there. And I don't like it. I feel like that was a good one. I feel like that was a good accent right there. Jesse just asked me how the painting's going. Ugh, it's going. Ugh. This is what I said. Literally, ugh. It's going. I'm so dramatic. Oh my gosh, am I good? Shawty, are you good? Like, did you see my focus? Like, why? It's fine though, because it doesn't actually matter. None of it matters. It's just on my arm. It's not on the painting and other places. It does matter. Can you see that? A mess. That's what we have here. A mess. Ugh. I didn't think about how functionally terrible I would be. He said, "Oh, you don't like it?" It's fine. I just didn't get the colors right. And I feel like I just keep making silly mistakes because, you know, like, I smoked. Can I just say how it is so annoying that this thing does not pick up the words that I say? I don't think it's giving what I wanted it to give. And I don't really like that. We're going small, slow, and steady. Nice and small. This is what I was using before, and it's just too big. It's just too big. What y'all being for Halloween? What are y'all about to be? I need to know. I finished the yellow and the smile. Now we're gonna move over to the blue of Gary's body.
The blue in Gary's body. The blue in Gary's body.
Okay, I feel like this paintbrush served me so well on the yellow, but it's a little small. Remember, this was our eeny beeny beeny baby. I'm thinking about using this one. Mind you, this is the one we came from with the green. I know I should have cleaned off this paintbrush, but I didn't. The battery is exhausted. The battery has failed me. This is where we're at though. Like, it's going. It's going, you know? Horses don't stop. They keep going. That's me. I'm going. This is where I am. Switched my phone. Got my camera charging, so I don't know. I don't know if we'll go back on the camera in a little while. I don't want to record on my phone. Oh my god, you know what I just thought about? I do not have no space on my phone, you guys. I don't have no space on my phone. Okay. Oh, shoot. Ugh. You know, recently Jesse had said to me, like, oh, like, talking about a family member. Like, oh, that person, like, they don't mess with, like, the hee-hee-ha-has, you know? They don't mess with the joking around, like, all that, like, all me joking around. Basically, this entire video, right? All the jokes. All the fun we're having. Like, they would be like, y'all need to shut the F up, you know? Like, ugh, you're no fun. Can you imagine? What a boring existence. Like, here we are. Just here for the ride. That's all we're here for. The ride. Just, can you imagine taking things so seriously? Like, boo. Boo. And, you know, just, like, people just live such crazy different lives. That's what I think about sometimes. Like, everybody's in their little house, you know, in their little box. Living their own little lives. So completely different from the next. This is where we are right now. You know how they be like, October, the number 8, Wednesday, they all have the same vibe. You know what I'm talking about? I feel that way. I'm getting that. I got that vibe. Hey friends, I'm over here because my neck was broken. And I couldn't keep going in the same position I was in. The camera's dried a million times. I run out of storage a million times. You see me, you guys? You see me? Okay, so all we have left is, whoop, that little ribbon right there. That's all we have left. It's time. Got that thumbnail. Side by side. Side by side. All right, I need to go eat some food. And then I have to go get my children because it's already 2:34. All right, bye guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching me for such a long time. And if you like this type of video, please comment down below. Give me a like, subscribe if you're new here, please. I'm coming back, so bear with me. And I know I said this before many times. I really think this is gonna be it for real, you know? So let's do it. Bye.